Hey guys, welcome back to the SnapFresh YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look at this SnapFresh cordless reciprocating saw. Now, SnapFresh was nice enough to send me this item for free so I can make a video showing it to you. They were also nice enough to provide me with a promo code. So if after watching this video you decide that this item is for you, there will be a link down below with that promo code information. So this SnapFresh reciprocating saw comes as a kit. You get the saw itself, you get a 2 amp hour battery, you get the fast charger, owner's manual, and 5 saw blades. Here we have 2 metals, 2 woods, and a pruning blade. So we will be testing those out shortly. Now, as we look at the saw itself, it has a variable speed trigger with the 2-sided safety lock. This nice rubbery type grip to it. Kind of got a nice shape to hold on to the neck there. It is a toolless blade change. So to change your blade, you just push this tab to that side. Slide your blade in and it's locked. You can also run it upside down if you so choose. So nice little extra feature there. Front also has an LED light, as you can see. On this side we do have an Allen wrench. You can pop that right on out. It goes to these 2 screws on the bottom. And once we loosen up these guys at the bottom, we have a little bit of adjustment at the shoe there. Also pivots obviously, but those bolts control that. As we take a look at the 2 amp hour battery, you can also buy this individually if you wanted a second battery. They also sell a 4 amp hour battery. It does have the little fuel gauge on the front. See, it's 3 lights. So we have a full charge there. We also have this fast charger. One thing I really like about it that's just nice for me with these videos is it gives charge times on the back. 2 amp hour battery, 1 hour. The 4 amp hour battery, 2 hours. It has a 2.5 amp output. So actually it should be just a little bit less than those times. In addition to the reciprocating saw you see here, SnapFresh also makes a leaf blower that uses the same battery and charger. So if you're looking at it as a way to trim some trees, it would be perfect to go with the reciprocating saw, and the blower would use the same battery platform. Let's test this guy out and cut a few things. I'd say so far so good. Let's go trim some trees. I don't know about you guys, but I think it turned out all right. If you are interested in this SnapFresh Reciprocating saw, that link is down below. Don't forget to use the promo code, get yourself a little discount. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like. Subscribe for not a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.